Hey everyone! Just starting with Forex? Great! One of the first things to learn about is currency pairs. It's simpler than it sounds. There are three main types, and we'll explain them easily today. Let's go! First, you have the major currency pairs. These involve the strongest country's money, and the US dollar is always one of them. Think of big names like the euro, British pound, Japanese yen. Because lots of people trade these, it's usually easy to buy or sell. The price difference when you trade is often small. They tend to move a bit more predictably. For beginners, these major pairs are often a good place to start. Next are minor currency pairs. These are when you pair those strong currencies without the US dollar. For example, the euro with the British pound, or the Aussie dollar with the Japanese yen. These are still traded quite a bit, so buying and selling is generally okay. The price difference might be a little bigger than the majors. They can sometimes move a bit faster. Minor pairs can offer some good chances once you understand the basics. Finally, we have exotic currency pairs. This is when you pair a strong country's money with the money from a smaller or newer economy, like the US dollar with South Africa's rand. These are a bit different. It can be harder to buy or sell quickly. The price difference when you trade can be bigger. They can move up and down very suddenly. Exotic pairs can be riskier and are usually not for beginners. So, those are the three main types of currency pairs. Start with the major ones to get the hang of things. Ready to learn more? Check the links below. Happy trading with IFC Markets.